So one of the things I want to talk about is really the best cadence that we've found to get these suspended, deep fish to bite out on Erie here. But as soon as that fish sees the bait, so any type of turn in the fish, any type of reaction, that bait might be 10, 20 feet away from the fish. We're stopping the fall and giving it short pops until that fish starts coming aggressively at it. Okay, if it doesn't, drop it a little bit closer to the fish and just do the exact same thing. As soon as that fish aggressively starts coming after the bait, all I'm doing is just doing a quick reel and pops and keeping that bait just up in front of the fish. And what happens sometimes is right away they'll just come up and just hammer it. But if they come up and they slow down just for a second, you pause the bait, you give it like one last short pop, and a lot of times that's when they commit to it. So the key is to always keep that bait moving away from them, above them. And a lot of times those Lake Erie walleyes that might be 70 feet down end up eating that finisher at about 40 feet down.